let's apply some lashes. This is the, hopefully I'm saying this correctly, but these are the U-Duo lash set cluster lashes that it says you can do at home in 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and open up the packaging and see what's all in here. You get lash remover. You get the bond and seal. You also receive a brush, which has on one end, it's the brow spoolie. And then on the other end, it's an angled brush for your brows, which is really nice to have. You can never have too many of these. And look how fine that tip is, if you can see it. That's a really, really fine tip. And I love that. You get the tweezers, the soft tip, the smooth tip, the rounded tip. I have a set of these tweezers already, and I prefer to use a sharper angled tip. If you can see, there's a difference. See how smooth and rounded that tip is versus the one that I currently have and use. The tips are just a little bit different. This one is more pointy, and this one is more curved. This is the one that comes in the set. And then, of course, the lashes. The lashes are, like I said, tops and bottom. I'll open them up so you guys can see what type of curl it is, because the packaging doesn't indicate the type of curl that these are. So you don't know if they're L, D, or C curl, but they are beautiful. And this is the curl. You have the bottom lashes. I'm going to apply them, but I'm not going to apply the bottom because I don't have a reason to right now. But the bottom, they come in 5 and 6 millimeter. You can see that. And then you have the light volume fan, which are these, and they range from a 10 millimeter all the way to a 16, I believe. Yeah, so they come in 10, 12, 14, and 16 millimeter. You can see those. And then you have the 7D spiked ones, which also comes in 10, 12, 14, and 16. And then you have the 20D cluster, which also comes in the 10, 12, 14, and 16. What's so great about these lashes that I'm excited about is that you can definitely mix them all. I'm going to apply some just to see, you know, how they wear. Now, I like a more natural look. Mine is going to be something really simple, but being that you have a kit, you can do these as dark or as fluffy or as light, as classic as you would like. But I'm going to do a natural look today, and hopefully they last for a long time. So let's get into it. I'm really excited about them. So let's see how they turn out, because I'm a strip girl. So let's see how these turn out. All done. That took no time. So now I'm going to go ahead and seal them. And I'm going to use the seal side. Oh, look at the applicator. It's a little different than some of the others I've seen. It has a brush side and then like a spoolie side. So let's go ahead and seal them. Super, super easy. And I alternate between the 10, the 12, and the 14. So I'll do 12s on the outside, and then I'll do 14 in the center, and then I'll go down to 10s as I come in the middle. That way they have this like gradient type of effect, like our natural lashes will grow. So hopefully you guys liked it. I know I do. And something simple, easy, quick. See how quickly I did that? So go ahead and get yours. I'm gonna link them below. See you next time.